Early detection of breast cancer can be done by mammography, thermography. False answers are digital X-ray, FNAC, excision biopsy. Screening for breast cancer: breast self-examination, BSE, palpation by a physician, thermography, mammography. Modifiable risk factors of non-communicable diseases include tobacco inhalation, inheritance, physical inactivity. Stress: